this is the community of American truck drivers. Welcome to another video.
That's why I stopped. Exactly that point right there. Oh no. Oh. Oh my gosh, this guy is gonna wreck.
Look at this idiot. What a bonehead. What an asshole. A Swift driver.
And take a look at your screen here. Officials in the Clearfield County area say DuBois City Police are looking for a truck and the driver of this tractor trailer carrying an oversized load. Officials say the trailer traveling on Liberty Boulevard hit a metal pole at the intersection with the Park Avenue. Hitting the metal pole at around 8:30 yesterday morning. Authorities say that the pole is damaged but is still standing.
Yo, this nigga's drunk, cuz. This nigga really just hit the pole. Yo, Pop, you alright? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh my God, Poppy. I don't know what happened. You fall asleep?
No.
Okay, you'll be alright. Go before that bitch blows up.
Was your wife shocked? Are you the kind of marriage where your wife is shocked that you masturbate, or was she aware that you masturbate?
Stupid
She's aware that I masturbated, but
What
she
the
was really
fuck are you
disgusted.
doing?
I mean, just when I thought I was getting away with something, I thought maybe I, you know, 'cause I didn't know she saw me. I woke up and I thought maybe I was still clear, but.
Indians are getting very restless.
Hey, it was great. Hey, I tell you what,
What's this
Rick.
guy's name? What does he get?
Well, yeah, what does he win, Fred?
Yeah, Fred.
Not me. What do you want, man?
Let me invite him. Listen to me. Let me invite you to come see me work this week.
Yeah. Rick's playing over at the St.
Go, motherfucker.
One show a night, or whatever you can make it.
What are you offering him? A free ticket?
You
Yeah,
ignorant
but you
fucking
just call me.
bastard.
Invite him to come and see the show.
Really?
Not for dinner, because the food is
Oh.
Where is it coming from?
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, it's not stopping.
It's not gonna stop.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Oh goodness.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.